All right, listen to the sound it makes. And here's the other one that's for the fan. It doesn't do it. And that leads me to believe there's a defect. It's bad because we've been using this for the past 15 years. All right, in this video, I'm going to check the electrical socket or circuit. You can see when I turn the fan on, it works. And now this is for the light. You see. Now you see the light doesn't come on, but the fan, yes. So I don't know what's the problem is. And also listen here. You hear the sound it makes. Or so I don't know. Maybe it's disconnected. Let's find out. It's very simple to remove. You see there are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Listen to the sound it makes. And here's the other one that's for the fan. It doesn't do it. And that leads me to believe there's a defect. It's bad because we've been using this for the past 15 years. So what I'm doing now is remove this bowl. And so what I do, I just see there's that screw, the bolt here, and I just turn it and to get it off. Well, this is it, and that's okay. This one is for that's for the fan, okay, and this is for the light. You see, all 3 of them, all 3 light bulbs are not don't turn on, and the bulbs are fine. So either this is bad or it's this. Yeah. All right. So because see here, this one doesn't do it. So I'm going to take this out so I can look at the inside, and it's very simple to do that. So right here, 2 screws here and here. All right, so you see I have my rubber gloves on, and again there's not much of electricity in this, not enough to kill you, but you don't want to be zapped. So it is best to turn the circuit off so there won't be any electricity in this. But I didn't do that for myself. For me, I didn't do it, but for you, yeah, it's best to go to the electrical box and then turn off any power supply. Okay. Now, yep, let me look. So I can see I'm pulling this out of the wall. Okay, so here the red one is the hot. Okay, that's the red one here is the power supply. You can it goes inside and bolted with this screw. And down here that's the negative. You can see it's one side, and then over here to the to my left, and that's the ground cable. So the same thing applies to for the switch for the fan. So the only thing I can do right now is to go to Lowe's or Home Depot or any other store and to get a replacement, because I believe that's the one that is bad. And if I replace it and then the light still not on, then it is the fan. Okay, the light part. See the white part you're looking at? Maybe that's what goes. That is bad. If after I replace this and the light are still not on. All right, this morning I'm here at Walmart and I find this switch, see, heavy duty switch, $397. That's quite expensive, but anyway, this one should do the job. All right, so again, I'm back. This is the next day. I bought this Walmart. So what I'm going to do right now is just go ahead and disconnect the that's the black one, that's the neutral, and then that's the hot one. I don't know why this one was inside instead of mounted to this screw here. I don't know why. It's the same here. They do the same thing. But since this one here I bought has nowhere to stick the hot wire inside, or I'm just going to drop it. Go ahead and attach it to one of those ends here. All right. So let me go ahead and do that now. Okay, like this, put the ground. See, very simple. Okay, so it goes, I don't know if you can see, it goes right here. And then screw this. Good connection. Okay, seeing well.
Daddy.
Daddy is very busy here doing a deadly job. Okay, so you see, this is the red one, and that's okay. This is the other one. That's the neutral. So now I just put it back. I put it right here, and tie the screw. All right. So now all I have to do is go downstairs and turn the circuit. Turn the circuit back on, and then just go ahead and flip this up like this to see if it works like that. So okay, I leave him in the off position. All right, so as you can see, I replaced this one here, even though you can see it's a three-way and that's a just one-way. It's a three-way. So I replaced it correctly. However, the light still doesn't come on. So it was bad. This one for sure, it was bad. You hear? And this doesn't do it. So we have two issues here. The first issue was okay. The switch, it was bad, but the light here is also bad. So the bulbs cannot be bad because all three of them don't come on. So it's the chain, either it's the chain, the connection, or or this little motor here for the light. So there's nothing I can do about it. It will stay like this. Okay, it will stay like this until the fan no longer works, so I can replace the whole system. In the meantime, my daughter will be using this lamp. Yes, this lamp here, she will use it. Everything else work in the house. So I did my best. All right, so again, thanks for watching and show you how I diagnosed the problem. First, the switch was bad. I replaced the switch. You saw the little spark. It's because I didn't disconnect or I didn't turn off the socket, the breaker. Replace it, but it still doesn't work because it's the light set up here. Thanks for watching. See you next time. The same. What I'm going to do right now is just go ahead and disconnect that's the black one, that's the neutral, and then that's the hot one. All right, so let me go ahead and do that now. This one here, that's the loose. As long as you don't touch all the wires at once, you're not gonna get electrocuted. Ow! Did I do that? What did I do? Hey, you did not see anything, okay? You did not see anything. Okay, so now for this one here, let me see if I can just pull it. That's what they did. Now let me unscrew this. It makes no sense why they did this. Let me see. Yeah, they just, can you see? Oh, okay. See, let me see why they did this. Oh, keep on breaking stuff here. Did you know? You didn't see this.